Hey guys, welcome back to Debasree the Art. Today I am going to give you a painting demo of an Impressionist landscape that I will paint using knife and brush both. Here I am using a 8 by 8 inches square journal from Menora, and all the color names are listed in the description box below. I will be painting a very easy and loose style landscape, and you're welcome to follow along with me. If you want to paint along, simply put the speed to 0.5 and it will be my original speed of painting so that you can follow step by step and create along with me. If you enjoy watching this kind of videos, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my art channel. Also hit the notification bell on so that you don't miss out on any future painting videos. Alright, so let's get started. And we finished creating this beautiful Impressionist painting. I hope you enjoyed making this with me, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, of course you're going to do so right now, I hope. Hit the notifications as well so that you don't miss the next video. I post multiple videos every week. Check out the free Impressionist painting class that I have for you, and thank you so much for watching.